Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for memory keepers and scrapbook lovers, the best Project Life cards out there. The Project Life Core Kit, September Skies by American Crafts. Whether you're a seasoned memory keeper or just stepping into the world of scrapbooking, this kit is designed to elevate your creativity while making the process effortless. Let's start by looking at what makes the September Skies kit stand out. This beautifully curated core kit is part of the beloved Project Life system, created to simplify scrapbooking while maintaining a high level of aesthetic appeal. The September Skies theme leans heavily into elegant floral patterns and fresh, soft hues. It evokes a sense of calm, joy, and nostalgia, perfect for capturing all of life's moments. Whether you're documenting a spring picnic, a quiet autumn walk, or a heartfelt family reunion, inside the kit, you'll find a complete collection of cards designed to be used with standard Project Life photo pocket pages. This core kit contains hundreds of journaling and filler cards, enough to complete an entire album. The dimensions of the package are 10 by 11 by 1.75 inches, and while it's compact and neatly organized, it's packed with creative potential. Each card is printed on high-quality cardstock, ensuring durability for years to come. And they're double-sided, offering variety and flexibility when designing your layouts. The artwork within the September Skies kit features a mix of bold florals, subtle textures, inspirational typography, and calming color palettes. It's a theme that's both uplifting and versatile. Whether you're aiming for a more classic memory-keeping approach or something more modern and minimal, this kit supports a wide range of visual styles. Another reason this kit has become a staple in the scrapbooking community is the ease with which it integrates into your workflow. The Project Life method focuses on simplicity. Just slip photos and cards into pockets, jot down a few memories, and you're done. There's no pressure to create elaborate layouts, which makes it accessible even for beginners. But for seasoned crafters, it's a canvas full of opportunities. You can embellish, stamp, cut, or layer to your heart's content. And let's not overlook that this kit is produced by American Crafts, a trusted name in the world of arts and crafts. The brand is known for quality, attention to detail, and innovative design. Additionally, the September Skies Core Kit is part of their small business initiative, meaning you're supporting a smaller brand that puts love and care into every product. In terms of seasonality, this isn't a kit that limits you to a certain time of year. Despite its name, September Skies is perfect for all seasons. The themes are neutral enough to pair with summer adventures, winter reflections, spring celebrations, and cozy fall memories. So who is this kit for? It's ideal for parents who want to preserve family milestones, newlyweds capturing the magic of their wedding journey, travelers documenting adventures, or anyone who values holding on to life's fleeting but beautiful moments. It's also a great gift for creatives, hobbyists, or friends looking to start their own memory-keeping journey. To wrap it all up, the Project Life Core Kit, September Skies truly earns its title as the best Project Life card set on the market today. It combines artistic beauty, ease of use, and excellent value, all in one neatly designed package. Whether you want to create quick albums or craft each page with care and detail, this kit gives you the tools and inspiration to do it all. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a product breakdown. Until next time, keep creating, and keep preserving those memories.